In this video, we will discuss the proper application of our ceramic coatings for paint. For each coating, please follow the directions for that specific product. After polishing the surface, a thorough inspection of the paintwork is required. Once coated, your results will be locked in for years to come. Gtechniq Panel Wipe is our recommended prep product to ensure all oils and polish residues have been removed. Nicknamed Truth Serum, Panel Wipe will show you the true condition of the paintwork. For your first coating, XO V4 is recommended for ease of application. It is available in two sizes, 30 ml for most cars and 50 ml for most larger vehicles and trucks. XO V4 comes with everything needed in the box, including gloves and the AP2 applicator. A master instruction sheet is included, as well as a decal to let everyone know that you have selected Gtechniq to protect your investment. Using the applicator to open the product will make sure you get the most out of your product. Drop several, between 5 and 10 drops of product onto the applicator provided. Work the liquid into the pad to get an even saturation. Apply with the applicator provided in overlapping strokes. Wait for 2 minutes and then fold your first MF1 twice to form a square. Spread and remove most of the residue using a light touch. C2V3 is our 6-month ceramic spray sealant and is the maintenance spray for our coatings. It can be used to top any of our paint coatings for some added gloss or as a sacrificial layer of protection. Many detailers and enthusiasts alike have found great results with C2V3 as the single protective product on a wide array of surfaces. Spray onto surface and buff with a Gtechniq MF1 0R microfiber buff cloth. Apply to one panel at a time. It can be layered for increased gloss and protection. CSL is recommended for people who have a few coatings under their belt. This 3 to 5 year product delivers phenomenal results with a relatively easy application. It is available in two sizes, 30 ml for most cars and 50 ml for most larger vehicles and trucks. Pro tip, both sizes come with different size pipettes for installation. If you plan on ordering just the pipettes, please let your reseller know what size is needed. CSL comes with everything needed in the box, including gloves and the AP2 applicator. A master instruction sheet is included, as well as a decal to let everyone know you have selected Gtechniq to protect your investment. Spray Gtechniq Panel Wipe onto a Gtechniq MF1 0R microfiber buff cloth. With your panel fully cooled after polishing, taking care to avoid any paint protection film or other types of vinyl film, buff away all polish residues. Soak the application pad with 2 full measures from the pipette and work the liquid into the pad to get an even saturation. Apply with the applicator provided in overlapping strokes to an area roughly 2 foot by 2 foot, or work to the body lines of the vehicle. Remove residue with MF1 0R microfiber buff cloth. Always remove from further than you have applied, working from the outside in. It is essential to check for residue. When working with coatings, we recommend you inspect the panels with a bright but diffuse light source, not with bright spot lights, which are very poor for spotting coating residue.